competent Gavelian communicator. Hand raised. Well done. Congratulations. I enjoyed that speech because you delivered that topic with your full passion. Alright? So it's very difficult to talk passionately on an abstract concept. So being able to do that is definitely a feather in your cap. I was expecting you to be more careful with your content though. Alright? Because in my point of view, art can be bended to the person who produces the art. So it can sometimes be the wrong representation of facts. Yeah? For example, Superman flying. So are we going to believe that Superman can fly? Is it? What about Picasso and his cubism? So if an alien were to take that as a representative of human being, then they would believe that all human beings have rectangle heads instead of triangle heads. Yeah? So I still hold on to the fact that science is the truth, the absolute truth, and art can be manufactured and art can be also fictional. Right? However, the challenge was for you to deliver a concept that is abstract, that is not that you're trying to convince us to accept something that we believe that not to be true, and that's what you were trying. And what you were able to do just now is that in your passion, you're trying your best to persuade us to see your point of view and your perspective. If you were more careful with the construction of your speech and your points, it would have been a more effective speech. Anyway, I still enjoyed your speech. Well done, Idris.